Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Love the Makeup Artist. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing one of my favorite things to do, an unboxing of the IPSY. So this month is December. It is the very last day of December. I am very pissed off, to be honest. It didn't come in until last night at 22, that's 10 o'clock. Yeah, it came in at 10 o'clock p.m. on December 30th. So, love that. But it is the December Boxy Charm. Yes, yay, applause, yes. So, I never read this pamphlet thing, so we're just gonna move on to the products. Get your coffees ready, because this one's gonna be short and sweet. The first product today is from First Aid Beauty. It is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, okay? This one has SPF 30, and it is safe for sensitive skin. If we've learned anything from the Ren skincare line that is also safe for sensitive skin and eczema-prone skin, that is not the case with most brands. So we are going to try it out and see if my sensitive-ass skin will react to it. And it looks like it expires in November 2025. So we've got a little bit of time to test that bad boy out, okay? The next product, this one is from Pinky Bee Beauty. This is the Perfect Lip Combo in 1986. 1986, what a good year. What a great year. Better than 98. Everyone fucking hates 1998 babies. Ugh. But anyways, this one is a very cute, it's like a lip liner and lip gloss duo. Okay, 1986, very cute, very cute. If you guys want to see a swatch of this, I will be doing a short later on this month. Then the next lipstick I received as well, because, you know, you can never have too many lipsticks, and this girl has a lot of expired ones. So, the next one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this brand. It's one of my favorite go-tos. I've been using Anastasia Beverly Hills since earliest 2010, okay? But that being said, this is a peachy nude liquid lip velvet. Very pretty. Once again, I will be swatching this inside of another video or a short. Then, I've had this mascara before. Let's see, do I still have it? No, I don't still have it. It is from Iconic. It is their Triple Threat Mascara. Okay. Classic Iconic inside the reflective gold. And this is a brown mascara. I forgot that's why I chose this one, was because it is brown. The difference between a brown and black mascara is just that, the color. This one looks a lot more natural on blondes. Sometimes I recommend people to use brow tints, but a brown mascara is just as worthy of the title. Anyways, the last item I did choose as well, and I'm glad I was able to choose it because mine is almost out. But from Ofra Cosmetics, I got another one of the verified liquid liners. I love their packaging. They always it looks so cute. But anyways, got some straight talk. I love the verified, like I'm gonna quickly show you guys. They have a brush tip just like the recently added House Laboratory liners. However, verified liquid liner has been out way longer than the House Lab one. Like, I've been following Ofra Cosmetics specifically since I'd say 2018, okay? And since then, they've always had the verified black liner. So it's not as unique as House Labs makes it out to be. And it's cheaper to get it from Ofra. But anyways, that is all of the products from this month's IPSY box. As I said, it's going to be short and sweet today. But thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. And until we blend again, lovelies, I love you all. And I hope you all have a great, happy new year. Bye.